Think the MPV market is dead? Think the GL8 is outdated? Think again, because the undisputed king of MPVs is not just surviving, it's dominating like never before. When you hear MPV, most people think Buick GL8. Some say the market has changed, new energy vehicles are taking over, and the GL8 is just nostalgia. But let's see what the real numbers say. In January 2026, the GL8 family sold over 1,000 units, with the PHEV variant hitting around 1,300 units, keeping it strong at the top of MPV charts. Even with China's 54% new energy penetration, the GL8 still made over half its family sales from the new energy lineup. Why? Because buyers vote with money, not hype. The fuel GL8, #1 residual value for 5 years straight, 3-year value 65.61%. The new energy GL8, 77.13% after 1 year, topping all domestic plug-in hybrid MPVs. Translation: spend 250,000 RMB on a GL8, drive 3 years, and you could get tens of thousands more back than competitors. Real money, not marketing fluff. Starting at 249,900 RMB, the GL8 may sound pricey, but one tank plus a charge gives 1,420 kilometers range, Beijing to Changsha in one shot. Size: 5.2 meters, 2+ tons, but more efficient than a Nissan Sylphy. Comfort: 520mm wide second-row seats, leg rests, massage function, and a 15.6-inch screen. Kids, elders, spouse, they're all happy. Electric range up to 202 kilometers. Total 1,450 kilometers in some configs. Safety: 10 horizontal, 6 vertical Dragon-style body, 1,700 megapascals hot-formed steel, triple rear-end crash past, invisible but life-saving. 26 years, 2 million fans, still the #1 MPV. Quietly, steadily dominating, while others chase trends. The GL8 keeps winning. If you learned why the GL8 is still king, smash that like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more real talk car insights.